Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome in today's lecture. Let's start our today's lecture. Our today's lecture is about unit number 13, that is smart nutrition choices. This is our today's unit. Let's start. Lecture number 6. Competency is oral communication. Topic is performing a drama. Our today's SLO is this. Perform a drama, play script showing different roles and scenarios through deliberate choice of dialogue, speech, gestures and moments. Dear students, in this SLO, we will discuss what is drama and what are the parts in detail. Let's move ahead. Now let's discuss its vertical linkage. In class 5, we have discussed this SLO in these words. Enact a short drama, play script showing different roles and scenarios through deliberate choice of dialogue, speech, gestures and moments. Now, move ahead. Let's have a brainstorming. Can you tell me what is meant by drama? It means, what is the definition of drama and what do you know about drama? What is drama? Drama is a story that is acted out by people. It is performed on a stage or in front of an audience using dialogues, movements and expressions to show what is happening in the story. Drama helps us understand characters and their feelings through actions and dialogues. So, dear learners, this is the brief definition and very simple definition of drama. Now, move ahead. Roles in drama. Roles in drama. Every play has different roles or characters. These roles could be main character, protagonist, the hero or heroine, villain, antagonist, the character that causes trouble, supporting characters, friends, family, or sidekicks. Whenever we face or we read or we see or watch drama, there are so many roles or characters in the drama. As you are looking at the screen, that different roles. Number 1, protagonist and antagonist. Protagonist in simple language is called hero and antagonist in simple language is called villain. Now, let's move ahead. Dialogue. Talking in drama. Dear learners, dialogue basically is called talking in the drama and discussing and communicating between the characters. Dialogue means the words that characters say. Choose your words carefully to show how your character feels. Example, happy, I'm so excited. Sad, I feel lonely. So, we can say the dialogues are the basic part of any drama. So, we must keep in mind whenever we watch drama or read drama that our dialogues must appropriate according to the situation. If we want to show the situation is sad, the dialogue should be appropriate or to the point. Let's move to the next portion. Gestures, using your body to speak. Dear learners, once again, gesture is very important part of communication or the very important part of talking or during acting. Whenever the characters want to convey extra expressions, they use gestures. Basically, gesture means the help or the support of the body parts to show your inner feelings. Okay, now read it. Gestures are movements with hands, face, or body. They show feelings and actions without words. And this is called gestures. Example, waving hand means hello, frowning shows sadness. Dear students, these two examples are showing. First one is waving. Wave means when you move your hands to say hello. You don't say any word from your own mouths, but your gesture shows you are saying hello. And at the same time, the other gesture, the other movement from your side is what? Frowning. Frowning means when you put something lines on your forehead, that is called frowning, like that. Okay ji. Now let's move to the next part. Moving on stage. The next part of the play is moving on stage. It's mean movement during the play. Moving helps tell the story. Walk, run, sit, or stand to show what your character is doing. Moving closer or away from others can show friendship or anger. This is the purpose of movement. Now, move to the next portion. That is, dear students, now this is class activity you will do in your class, and next you are going to see this is your homework, and next we will see this is the source of simulation if you want to look at these, and all the resources, worksheets, skill sheets and lesson plans are attached with the lecture. So you must keep in mind and you must work on all these resources. Now, so this is all about our today's lecture. Thank you so much for joining our class today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.